Panasonic's Lumix line spans budget-friendly point-and-shoots with long zoom versatility to high-performance mirrorless options and even full-frame hybrids. For travelers, vloggers, and enthusiasts, the choice often hinges on zoom reach, stabilization, video features, and system compatibility. In this article, I test 5 Panasonic cameras across a price range of $547.99 to $645.77 to illustrate how features align with real-world needs. A super zoom compact, FZ80D, a travel-optimized compact with a 30x zoom, TZ99, 2 travel-focused compacts with similar zooms, ZS99 and ZS99K, and a high-end full-frame mirrorless option, S5i.
Product number 1. Lumix FZ80D Point. The FZ80D is a flagship-style super zoom in a compact body, headlined by a 60x optical zoom, 20 to 1200 mm equivalent, and power OIS stabilization. It features a bright 2.360K EVF for glare-free composing and 4K video with 8-megapixel 4K photo extraction, plus post-focus for selective focus after capture. Its Micro Four Thirds mount keeps lens options broad within the Panasonic ecosystem, and a robust feature set targets action, travel, and casual video vloggers on a budget. Performance and use. In real-world use, the FZ80D shines for tell-reach in daylight and steady handheld capture thanks to power OIS. The 60x zoom is convenient for wildlife or sports, but the trade-offs include modest low-light performance due to the small 1.23-inch MOS sensor and a maximum aperture of f2.8 at the wide end, tapering under telephoto.
Product number 2. Lumix TZ/ZS99 Point. The TZ/ZS99 is a pocketable super zoom with a 24 to 720 mm Leica lens, offering 30x optical zoom in a compact chassis, plus 4K video and 4K photo features. It delivers a tiltable 1,840K dot screen and Bluetooth connectivity for quick sharing via Panasonic's Image app. It's designed for travelers who want flexibility without carrying a larger camera. The 20.3-megapixel sensor and 4K capabilities are attractive for casual and travel photography. Performance and use. The TZ99 is adept at landscapes, cityscapes, and concerts where you need to cover wide to tele ranges quickly. Its hybrid AF and 30 fps 4K photo provide versatile shooting options, and its USB-C charging simplifies power management on the go.
Product number 3. Lumix G7 4K Digital Camera. The G7 is a Micro Four Thirds mirrorless kit with a 14 to 42 mm kit lens, offering 4K QFHD video and 16-megapixel imagery. It features a high-resolution EVF, a tilt-swivel LCD, and the ability to extract 4K stills. It targets enthusiasts who want interchangeable lenses with a compact body and solid controls. The camera supports RAW capture and a flexible exposure control suite, including aperture, shutter, and manual modes. Performance and use. The G7's strength lies in its control layout, viewfinder quality, and the ability to pair with a broad ecosystem of MFT lenses for different looks. However, it lacks in-body stabilization, IBIS, and has a modest autofocus system compared to modern rivals, which can limit action shooting or video autofocus accuracy.
Product number 4. Lumix ZS99 Point. The ZS99 shares the core 30x Leica zoom with the TZ99, but with a slightly different feature set and Leica lens branding. It emphasizes travel-friendly versatility with a 4K video suite, a tilting 3-inch touchscreen, and 4K photo modes. The design aims at users who want a balance of zoom, portability, and easy sharing in a single package. Performance and use. In practice, the ZS99's 5-axis hybrid OIS plus stabilization helps with handheld video at longer focal lengths, while the autofocus and subject tracking are serviceable for casual shooting and travel documentation.
Product number 5. Lumix S5i2 Mirrorless Camera. The S5 II is Panasonic's mid to upper tier full-frame mirrorless option with phase hybrid AF, enhanced stabilization, and robust video capabilities, bundled with a 20 to 60 mm lens. It targets serious enthusiasts and professionals who require high image quality, excellent autofocus in varying conditions, and advanced video features like unlimited 4.2.2 10-bit recording and in-camera LUTs. It's a complete hybrid package designed for both high-end stills and video work. Performance and use. The S5 II's active IS and sensor shift stabilization provides steadier handheld video across walking shots, while the 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor delivers strong dynamic range and color. The inclusion of 14+ stop V-Log/V gamut and in-camera LUT support supports professional workflows, including color grading and streaming.